Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to make a payment online, but traditional methods like credit cards weren't an option? Maybe you were concerned about security, or perhaps you were simply looking for a more convenient way to handle your transactions. If so, you've probably come across the term PaySafe. But what exactly is PaySafe, and how does it work? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine you're a passionate gamer who loves to purchase in-game items and currencies. You've found the perfect skin for your favorite character, but the online store only accepts specific payment methods. One of those options is PaySafe. Or perhaps you're an online shopper who frequently buys digital goods like ebooks, music, or movies. In many cases, PaySafe is a convenient and secure way to complete these transactions. What is PaySafe? PaySafe is a global payment service provider that offers a range of digital payment solutions. It's essentially a platform that connects consumers with businesses, allowing for seamless and secure online transactions. One of the most popular PaySafe products is the PaySafe Card, a prepaid card that can be purchased at various retail locations. Think of it as a digital gift card, but with more flexibility and wider acceptance. How does PaySafe work? To use PaySafe, you typically need to purchase a PaySafe card. These cards come in different denominations, allowing you to choose the amount that suits your needs. Once you have a card, you can use it to make online payments by entering the 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVV code. It's as simple as using a traditional credit card. Key benefits of using PaySafe. Security. PaySafe prioritizes security and employs advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. This makes it a safer option for online transactions, especially if you're concerned about fraud or identity theft. Convenience. With a PaySafe card, you don't need to link your bank account or credit card to online merchants. This can be beneficial if you prefer to keep your financial information private or if you're simply looking for a more streamlined payment process. Flexibility. PaySafe offers multiple payment options, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that best suits your preferences and needs. Global acceptance. PaySafe is widely accepted by online merchants around the world, making it a convenient choice for international transactions. Whether you're buying from a website in the United States, Europe, or Asia, PaySafe can help you complete your purchase. Types of PaySafe products. In addition to the PaySafe card, PaySafe offers other products and services, including PaySafe e-wallets. These digital wallets allow you to store and manage your funds online. You can use them to make payments at participating merchants or transfer money to friends and family. PaySafe bank transfers. If you prefer to use traditional banking methods, PaySafe can facilitate bank transfers between different countries. Merchant services. PaySafe also provides payment processing solutions for businesses, enabling them to accept payments from customers using various methods. PaySafe is a versatile payment solution that offers a range of benefits, including security, convenience, flexibility, and global acceptance. Whether you're a frequent online shopper, a gamer, or a business owner, PaySafe can provide a reliable and efficient way to handle your transactions. So, the next time you encounter PaySafe as a payment option, you'll have a better understanding of what it is and how it works. By choosing PaySafe, you can enjoy a safer, more convenient, and more flexible online shopping experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.